governors. I don't think they have a Navajo Nation NRC, for instance. I would think they would need one to regulate these sorts of things. Yes, sometimes it might be a reclamation project in concert with a production project if they're interested in that. You can close them and shut them forever. I don't know, maybe our government, they have a lot of that now, trying to force the United States government to clean up a section of a sovereign nation. I wish them luck on that. But for instance, I mentioned, would you be interested in talking to the Chinese? The Chinese are developing a new technology called pebble bed modular reactor. They're the only country that's built an actual research pebble bed modular reactor. It's a different type of reactor. It uses 400,000 tennis ball sized pebbles. It's got a carbon exterior to the uranium pebble. It's 400. It's a whole different type of power plant. I don't know if they've submitted, if companies have submitted approval yet with NRC, but I know China's going to move forward fast. The Navajo Nation is a sovereign nation. China has lots of money. You know, so they might be able to do something that, and they might be able to leverage that with the United States. I don't know. They are a sovereign nation. They can negotiate directly with China for whether it's cleanup. Now, I'll tell you right now, the Chinese will probably be interested in that uranium. But if they can get something out and clean it up, everybody will benefit. Those are the sorts of things I look at. I mean, yes, you can say try to close it down and clean it up. I don't know how much progress we're going to have with that. We have our own weapons plants we're still trying to clean up here, so that's pretty technical information, so I won't get into all of it now, but I'm just saying some sort of creative aspect that you can talk about. Well, they have so many challenges there. It's awesome. So they need something creative to get something going. So yes, I'm going to be talking to them.
It's just interesting because the U.S. already has over 100 sites that are contaminated.
I'm sorry, what?
The U.S. already has over 100 sites that are contaminated and unusable. So, like, what are they cleaning up? I mean, don't you think the DOE should clean that up first before, like?
Oh, absolutely. That's why I was talking about something innovative. It seems like it's taking too long. We're looking at innovations across the board with these issues if whatever you're doing now is not working. Just as Mark described and Derek described, they've changed the licensing process for plants. You have to change and try different things.
One more question. I know you don't want to talk uranium that much, but how much of it has to